Welcome to my channel, guys, learning platform for engineers. And today we are going to study singly reinforced beam, means analysis of singly reinforced beam. Basically, singly reinforced beam is analysis by on a three type: under reinforced beam, balanced section, and over reinforced beam. When we consider over reinforced section, then we take the XU max is equal to XU. Uh, so actual depth of the neutral axis XU is considered equals to the XU max, means maximum actual depth of the neutral axis. Uh, First, we are going to study a simple example on a singular reinforced beam. This is an example of analysis. So given data in the example is the basically the width and depth of the section. So we are going to B is 230 mm, and depth D is the 450 mm. So basically there is here is 230 mm wide eye, so B is equal to 230 and depth is 450, and where mild exposure condition दिया है वहाँ पे reinforced beam with AST दिया है, where they gives us AST means area of steel in tension. So area of steel in tension is AST, basically AST 4 bars of 16 mm diameter, 4 into pi by 4 into 16 square. So here is the answer: 4 into pi by 4 into 16 square, 804 804 mm square. Mm square means area is, so unit of area is mm square. uh, Basically the bar is circular, so we are going to implement the formula pi by 4 into 16 squares, and their ultimate moment of resistance we have to find, and they gives us determine. So this is a problem of analysis, not a design. And M20 grade of the concrete, M20. So M20 means FCK is equal gives 20 Newton per mm square, and Fe415 grade of the steel, FCK Fy is equals to 415 Newton per mm square, or MPa, or MPa. They gives us in form of MPa also. So our first step is to to calculate actual depth of neutral axis. So formula for actual depth of neutral axis, actual depth of the neutral axis denoted by XU, and formula is 0.87 FYAST divided by 0.36 FCKB. Formula gives in IS code in form of 0.36 FCKB XU and equals to 0.87 FYAST. We have to calculate XU, then we edit in the formula, and in form of XU we edit this formula, we convert this formula. So here XU we have to find 0.87 constant value, Fy 415 दिया है, they gives us 415. AST we have find out it's 04.24 divided by 0.36. FCK means 20. B they gives us B here 230. So 230 equals to 0.87. FY means 415. AST there at 04.24 divided by 0.36. FCK B FCK 20 B 230 mm 175.34 175.34 mm XU. So second step we have to calculate the XU max. XU max or also called as XU balance. Calculate XU balance. So in page number 70 of IS 456 2000 gives the direct value of XU max is for 415 148 0.48 into depth. So depth so here something we have to change is overall depth दिया है. They use us overall depth. We need the effective depth. So effective depth is equals to overall depth minus clear cover. We assume the clear cover of 40, so 450 minus 40 410 mm. So here 148 into 4 1 196.8 mm. So here is formula is 0.48 into D. There we have to for the under reinforced section XU is less than XU max or XU balance. XU is equal to, here is under reinforced XU is equal to XU max gives balanced section and balanced section, and XU is when XU is greater than XU max, then it gives over reinforced section. So here is a value. There three condition gives in IS 456. So three conditions. First is XU is less than XU max. Second is XU is equal to XU balance, XU max, and third is XU is greater than XU max. For this value, XU max is 196.8 and XU is equal to 175.34. So for first condition it is under reinforced section. This is under reinforced section. So for under reinforced section, 4 point, for under reinforced section, moment of resistance we have to find. Basically moment of resistance, MUR, we are called it MUR. Basically formula is for under reinforced section 0.85 into FOI AST, same, into D minus 0.42 XU. So 0.85 FOI 415 AST 804 into 24 into D 410 minus 0.42 into XU. XU is basically, XU is 174, 175.34. So 0.87 into 415 into 804.24 into 0.42 into 175.34, 97.66 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per mm square, or kilonewton, kilonewton per mm square. So sorry, ऐसा नहीं है. So this is 97.66 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per mm square and 97.66 kilonewton into meter into 10 raised to 6 kilonewton and mm square m meter. Basically MUR हुआ. Over and post section, when in the check over and post section, then basically MUR is 0.36 FCKB D minus 0.42 XU. This is formula for over balanced and over reinforced section. This is the singly reinforced beam. Thank you.